everyone, my name is Chris and this is a piece of science. Did you miss me? I miss you too. Today we'll be explaining how the US company Virgin Galactic's spaceships work. First of all, what is Virgin Galactic? Virgin is a company founded by Sir Richard Branson in 2004. Since its creation, Virgin has been working on ways to offer suborbital manned flights for space tourism and scientific purposes. Suborbital flights are flights that go higher 100 kilometers above the Earth, but do not surround the Earth entirely, meaning they do not realize a whole orbit around the Earth. Do you remember our last video about how rockets can leave the Earth? Well, it would be nice if you would go watch it now, because it will provide you a better understanding of this video. But anyways, space has always been one of man's biggest unanswered questions, and that's why companies like Virgin are so interested in going there. Putting it in a simpler way, Virgin's purpose is to bring space closer to us. But how is it possible? Virgin's spaceship for tourism space flights is called VSS Unity. This spaceship is made of two different ships. The first ship, called the White Knight II, is a jet-powered twin-fuselage aircraft, meaning it's kind of a combination of two ships joined by one wing, which acts as the mothership to our second ship. It measures 78 feet and 9 inches, 24 meters, has a wingspan of 141 feet and 1 inches, 43 meters, and has a payload of 70,000 kilos. The second one ship is called Spaceship 2 and is this little one that's attached to the White Knight II, just in the middle of it. This is the ship where space tourists are supposed to be as they experience the flight, and it works with the rocket engine. Its cabin measures 12 feet long, 3.7 meters, and 7.5 feet, 2.3 meters in diameter, with a wingspan of 27 feet, 8.2 meters. But let's get into how they work. First of all, the White Knight II takes off carrying the Spaceship 2. This mothership works somewhat similar to how normal planes do, raising up in the sky up to 15 kilometers, which is more or less the normal height where irregular planes fly. Once the aircraft reaches that height, it lets go of the Spaceship 2, which is now propelled by its rocket engine, reaching supersonic speed, around 4,200 kilometers per hour within 8 seconds. 70 seconds after, the ship's engine stops working and the ship keeps raising up almost vertically in a parabolic way, fly coasting until it reaches its peak altitude of 110 kilometers, which is 10 kilometers within what we consider space. At this point, the passengers of the ship will experience about 2 minutes of microgravity. It's not whale's net, it's not gravity. It is that there truly is gravity acting on a spaceship, but it is so minimal that it is almost as if it didn't exist. To understand this better, have you ever been in a car driving up a hill and felt like suddenly there was no gravity acting on your body? Well, that's exactly what happens here, but for 2 whole minutes. After these 2 minutes, the spaceship starts descending. It uses a feather rain drive system which allows it to re-enter the atmosphere at any angle. Once this happens at an altitude of 24 kilometers, the ship starts decelerating through the atmosphere, changing to a gliding position and performing a conventional runway landing. All of this in 25 minutes. And that's all! I hope you liked this video and feel a little bit closer to space now. I'm Chris and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! I hope it recorded. Yeah. Okay. Virgin's spaceship for tourism space flights. Virgin's spaceship for space. Never mind, to put that in the video. Okay. Yeah. Was no gravity. Bloody for 15 seconds. Well, that's exactly